Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through one of the largest cities in Jamaica. We are driving through Mandeville. Mandeville is the capital of Manchester and it's also the largest town in the parish of Manchester. So if you're traveling on the south coast between Kingston and Negril, you're going to come across Mandeville. It's in central Jamaica, but this is also the largest town you're going to find in, or the largest town you're going to find in central Jamaica. It's the corner piece for the parish, as well as, when we say corner, it's the largest town you're going to find on the south coast of Jamaica, outside of Kingston, of course. Alright, so Mandeville has a population of about 90,000 people. Now straight ahead on the right you can see the new Scotia Bank. It was recently built a couple years ago, and if we had turned the other way we would have gone down to the NCB branch, which was also built recently. So Mandeville has a lot of infrastructure. It has a lot of schools, it has a lot of banks, it has a tax office, post office. Basically, it's the largest town in central Jamaica. You have Maypen and you have Santa Cruz, but those towns aren't as big as Mandeville. Now, also in Mandeville, you have a lot of homes. You have a very large, what you'd call suburbs or residential areas, but Mandeville also has a lot of shopping plazas. A lot. Some of the biggest plazas in Jamaica, you name it, the stores are in Mandeville. Mandeville, it's like a third city in Jamaica, although it's not officially designated a city, but it has all the infrastructure, and it should be. I'm not sure why it's not designated a city yet. Okay, now coming up on the left you're going to see, well, there are a lot of plazas on this road, but Sovereign is building a plaza in Mandeville. It's a new plaza. It's going to be a massive plaza. Well, when we say new, it's where you had the cinema and a shoppers fair was there along with a few other stores. But Sovereign is rebuilding the plaza, tearing down the structure that's there, and they're rebuilding a massive plaza. We have videos up of the construction on the way, and we'll keep you guys posted as the plaza is being built on the progress. Alright guys, so enjoy the tour through Mandeville. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.